Here we have a 2009 Volkswagen Golf. It's fitted with the 1.4 petrol engine and got roughly 60,000 miles on the clock. If you're getting a message on your dashboard like that one there, service now, and you've serviced the vehicle, I'll run you through the procedure on how to reset it. Basically, you need access to the ignition key, the trip reset, and the minutes button. You've got an hour and a minute button there. So I'm going to start by holding this button down with the ignition off and turning the ignition to position 2. Let go of that button and then hold the minutes button for about 4 or 5 seconds. That's plenty. Switch ignition off, back on, start it up, and you can see the message has now disappeared. That's reset for another year.